What if your next doctor was not human? Imagine a world where AI diagnoses diseases faster than any specialist. Robots assist in surgeries with unmatched precision, and your health is monitored in real time. Not by a person, but by a powerful algorithm. Is this science fiction or tomorrow's reality? In this video, we're diving deep into how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare, from diagnosis to drug discovery, and even predicting diseases before you feel a single symptom. But hold on. While this future sounds promising, there are also risks, ethical concerns, and challenges that could change everything. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where AI is heading in medicine, and whether it's something to embrace or fear. Diagnosis powered by AI. Let's start with something already happening. AI-powered diagnosis. Companies like Google's DeepMind and IBM Watson are developing AI systems that can analyze X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs faster and more accurately than human radiologists. In fact, a 2020 study published in Nature showed that an AI system outperformed 6 radiologists in diagnosing breast cancer from mammograms. But that's not all. AI is also being trained to detect skin cancer using smartphone cameras, and even analyze voice patterns to detect neurological diseases like Parkinson's or Alzheimer's. Now here's the catch. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't miss details because of long shifts or emotional fatigue. It sees what most doctors can't. Micro patterns and anomalies invisible to the human eye. Still, we must ask, can we trust a machine with life or death decisions? Who's accountable when an AI makes a wrong call? This is where the conversation gets tricky. Artificial intelligence in drug discovery and development. Creating a new drug takes up to 12 years and costs over $2.6 billion on average. But AI is about to blow that timeline apart. Instead of trial and error, AI can simulate millions of chemical interactions in hours, identifying potential drug candidates faster and more accurately than traditional methods. In 2020, a British startup, Exscientia, partnered with Sumitomo Dainippon Pharma to develop the first ever AI-designed drug to enter human clinical trials. In under 12 months, a process that usually takes years. But that's just the beginning. AI is helping scientists predict which patients will respond to which treatments, personalizing medicine on a level never seen before. This means fewer side effects, better results, and cheaper treatments. Here's the curiosity bomb. What if AI could create a universal vaccine against cancer? Or predict viral mutations before outbreaks even happen? It's not just a dream. It's already in development. Robotic surgery. Precision beyond human hands. Now let's step inside the operating room. AI-assisted robotic surgery is already being used in hospitals across the world. Da Vinci surgical systems, for example, allow surgeons to perform complex procedures with unparalleled precision using robotic arms and real-time 3D imaging. AI improves these systems by analyzing past surgeries, spotting patterns in outcomes, and guiding surgeons in real time. It even suggests optimal incision points, minimizes blood loss, and reduces recovery time by making procedures less invasive. But here's what's coming. Autonomous surgery. In 2022, Johns Hopkins successfully performed a laparoscopic procedure on a pig, completely autonomously, with no human assistance. The robot was more precise than any human hand. So imagine a future where remote villages without doctors could receive world-class surgeries, performed by AI-powered robots guided through satellites. But again, should machines hold the scalpel? Would patients trust a robot with their lives? This is where technology meets ethics, predictive analytics, and preventive care. Imagine knowing what disease you're likely to get 10 years from now, and stopping it today. That's what predictive analytics in healthcare promises. By analyzing your genetics, lifestyle, wearable data, and electronic medical records, AI can calculate your personalized health risks and recommend precise interventions. Whether it's a lifestyle change, early screening, or preventive medication. Tech giants like Apple and Fitbit are collecting massive biometric data, and AI is making sense of it all. Your smartwatch might soon alert you to a heart condition weeks before symptoms appear. For instance, Stanford researchers used AI to predict heart attacks with 90% accuracy, just by looking at ECG patterns invisible to human doctors. But here's the wild part. AI could soon predict mental health breakdowns based on your sleep pattern, speech tone, and social media usage. Sounds helpful or a bit creepy? Because if AI knows too much about us, who's protecting that information? Ethical dilemmas and challenges. With great power comes great ethical headaches. Who owns your medical data when it's fed to AI? The hospital? The tech company? You? Should AI replace doctors or just assist them? And when an AI makes a wrong decision, who's responsible? There's also the issue of bias. If AI is trained on biased data, say underrepresenting minority groups, it can make dangerous misjudgments. One study even showed that an AI system recommended fewer follow-up treatments for Black patients compared to white patients with the same symptoms. The solution? Greater transparency, regulation, and ensuring human oversight stays central. We're entering a future where medicine becomes more personalized, but also more complex. And the line between science and ethics will get thinner. Are we prepared? AI in healthcare isn't coming. It's already here. And in the next decade, it will transform how we live, heal, and even how long we live. From curing diseases faster, to making surgeries safer, to catching illnesses before symptoms appear, the potential is massive. But we must also be ready to face the risks, challenge the ethics, and make sure that humanity stays at the center of medicine. So, would you trust an AI with your health? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that's reshaping our world. The future is now. Are you ready?